Hey friends, Erin here. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I just wanted to jump on and show you this super epic healthy soda recipe that I just created and then fell in love with because I realized that it tastes like Sprite, but it doesn't have all the refined sugar and crap that Sprite and other soda has. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. It is super simple. You'll just need, hi, welcome on. So I'm showing you how to make a healthy soda today without all the refined sugar and really simple ingredients. You just need lemon or lime sparkling water. I'm just using regular Kirkland brand. Apple cider vinegar with the mother, preferably, with the good stuff, organic, raw, unfiltered, and liquid stevia. That's literally all you need. So you can use lemon or lime. I'm gonna go with lemon because that's the one that I made earlier and it literally tastes like Sprite. So, but better and doesn't make you feel like crap. So, okay, I'm gonna go with the regular lemon Kirkland brand sparkling soda. Or sparkling water. Has no sugar or sweetener in it. I'm gonna add that with the stevia as I do not want high fructose corn syrup or refined sugar in my body. Those are probably some of the worst things that you could put in your body, and there's a tremendous amount of that in regular soda. So this is just super simple, literal. I mean, it has natural flavors in it, but that's okay. So we are doing the plain lemon sparkling water, unsweetened, just super plain. And then we are gonna do organic apple cider vinegar, just literally 1 capful. You don't even need that much at all. And apple cider vinegar is super amazing for you. Capful. I like it in really small amounts, especially if you have a highly acidic body or you're very pitta, you're very fiery. It can be really intense on the digestive system, like first thing in the morning. I know people that drink it first thing in the morning. Not for me. This is great because I eat it with a meal. You could do ice too if you like lots of ice. I don't really super love ice, so I'm just doing plain. So I have my lemon soda, my capful of organic apple cider vinegar, and then now I'm gonna add liquid stevia. So I prefer liquid. This is unflavored, so it's not like vanilla or anything. I'm sure you could do that. It would just probably come out different. But I'm gonna use, let's see. Okay, that's 10 drops of the liquid stevia. And I'm just gonna test it real quick. That's it. 10, maybe 12 drops, depending on how sweet you like it. I want mine to be a little bit sweeter. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make a super healthy, yummy Sprite lemon lime soda. Again, lemon or lime of any sparkling, unsweetened sparkling water, a capful of apple cider vinegar, and about 10 drops of unflavored liquid stevia. So thanks for being here. I hope you get inspired to make this or to start making healthy drinks for yourself. We can really be just getting creative and finding fun ways to nourish our body that are still really delicious. I really love that. I love still having delicious things. I'm such a foodie. So I hope this inspired you. Let me know if you make it, and sending you lots of love.